how to work a 3-needle bind off. I'm going to show you in this video how to work a 3-needle bind off as it pertains to my pattern Renee, where we're turning up a hem. So we're going to pick up the row of pearls with a little skinny needle. And this piece was knitted down. And so what you want to do is find the row of V's going down, and you can see how there's the cap of each V or stitch is, if you're looking at it this way, it's a smile or a U. So we want to pick up each U. You can either pick them up bottom up or top down. I'm going to pick them up. I'm going to come down through each stitch. And I'm going to come down through each U and pick up one stitch for one smile or U, ignoring the umbrella or the frown stitches. We just want to pick up the U's all the way across. I'm not going to go all the way across, but you're just going to keep picking up the U's, and I'm going to treat these like stitches. And I'm using a super skinny needle to pick them up. And then we're going to treat them like stitches. We're going to fold up the live stitches on the front needle. And now we're going to start the 3-needle bind off. And we're going to use our working needle for this, for the actual bind off. So you're first going to knit through the front needle and then through the stitch on the back needle. Wrap your yarn around and pull it through both stitches and then take them both off the needle. Repeat that again. So knit through the front needle, the back needle, knit them together, get them off the needle. And now that we've got 2 stitches, we're going to pull the first stitch over the second, and that's the first stitch bound off. And then you keep repeating that. So knit through front needle, back needle, knit them together, pull the first over the second. Just keep repeating that. And we're doing this on the front side, on the right side. And so this is going to be an exposed sort of seam. If you don't want this to show, you can do exactly the same thing, but just work it on the wrong side of your work. And then it'll put that sort of seam on the back. And it can be 2 sets of live stitches. And again, it's the same method. You just keep knitting them together and pulling them over. So now I'll kind of show you what it looks like. So you can see I've got that exposed on the front side, that little ridge along there. Whether you do it on the wrong side or right side, it's the same method, but that's how to work a 3-needle bind off for a hem.